Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back. So guys, as part of this session, let us see how exactly we can read that particular data from the CSV file and update it in the username field and a password field. That's it. That's a simple thing that I want to deal. So here to achieve this, as we have a data which is of an array of an objects, I can use either a for loop or a for each loop. So here I'm gonna define a for loop as of now. Okay, so here this is the for loop and my test should be executing inside the for loop. So cut this test and put it here inside it. And I just want to run these lines of a code. Perfectly all right. And as it is in the for loop, and the test is having the same name, your playwright will not accept it. Every time it does have a unique name, it's accepting for. So here for the string, I'm using a plus record dot username. I'm just using that. And wherever the username value is there, I'm gonna use this particular record dot username. And wherever the password is there, record dot password. I'm just pulling it up. Perfectly all right. So the username and a password are the names that we have defined in that particular file. Perfectly all right. Even still, whenever you are using that particular username and a password, here you are getting the record as an issue. You are not able to access it. That's the reason in order to use it, here I'm using as a any. So what it's gonna does basically, whenever you have a defined it as an any, basically that type is disabling the type checking that we have in this particular TypeScript. Okay, perfectly all right. Now save it. And if you go to the testings tab and if you look at it basically here, as you have a two sets of a data, see the two sets of a information. One is a Suren and another is Ramya. The test name got updated here. Okay, see here, the Suren and Ramya, the test name got updated here. Now, let me try to run this particular program and check it out whether it is executing this stuff or not. See the first set of data. So this is the first set of data and that's the second set of a data. So the script executed successfully with this particular stuff. Okay. So this is the way how exactly we can execute this program, guys. Okay. So this is the way how exactly we can read the data from the CSV file and you can utilize it in the program. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye bye.